In Teleprime, backing up your data is crucial to safeguard against data loss due to hardware failure, software issues, or accidental deletions. Here's how you can back up your data effectively. Open Teleprime. Launch Teleprime on your computer and select the company whose data you want to back up. Go to Backup option. Navigate to Gateway of Tele, Utilities, Backup. Select Backup Location. Choose a suitable location to store your backup file. It's recommended to use an external hard drive, USB drive, or cloud storage for added security. Configure backup settings. In the backup screen, Teleprime allows you to configure settings such as backup type, choose from full backup or incremental backup, backup path, specify the location where you want to save the backup file, compression, opt to compress the backup file to save storage space, encryption. If necessary, encrypt the backup file for enhanced security. Initiate backup. Once settings are configured, click on the Backup Now button to start the backup process. Verify backup. After completion, verify that the backup file is successfully created in the chosen location. Regular backup routine. Establish a regular schedule for backing up your Tele data to ensure you have up-to-date backups available in case of emergencies.